Hello friends, let's learn simplification trick. I cross I is equal to j cross j and k cross k is equal to always 0. Next, I cross j cross k and k cross I. For I cross j, so answer is k. J cross k, so answer is I. K cross I, answer is J. J cross I, opposite side, so answer is minus K. K cross J, opposite, so answer is minus I. I cross K, opposite side, so answer is minus